have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. The package. Hi guys, look, I got a package. Okay, so this package is a very special, very expensive package. It has all my samples of the different types of hyaluronic acid, so I can find the most effective one for the purpose in which I intend to use it. Alright, so I got a bunch of different ones. And at $5 a gram, this stuff is very expensive. Alrighty, so as well as hyaluronic acid, I did also purchase, so I've got the low molecular weight, high molecular weight, I think that is 50,000 daltons, and then 80 to 110 daltons, which is kind of cool. So 80 to 110, less than 50 daltons, 1 to 1.5 million daltons, and 800,000 to 1 million daltons. So each of these will make about 100 mils of 1%. It's kind of nice because they're all like pre-measured for me. But this way I can make custom products, and this is going to be so much fun. When I decide which one I love the most, I will use it. Okay, urea. I got urea for some formulating. This one is an anti-aging, and I'm also using this one in a special soap. And this is what it does. Alright, please click like and subscribe if you want to come back and see me create with these. I can't tell you when it will be because there's only so many hours in the day, and I am a full-time mom, but I love to create, and I am constantly creating, so I'm sure it won't be too long. If there's something you want to see right away, let me know and I will get it up right away. But it's right now, you guys are just letting me do my own thing, so until I have a schedule of things you want to see right now, let me know. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming and watching, and I will see you next Monday. Bye guys.